everyone, it's Rita with Everything Homemade, and I'm going to show you a really simple technique that just works when you newly transplant plants out and it's hot outside and the weather is not going to give you a break, but yet you need to transplant when it's a little too hot. What you can do to prevent or help them through that transplanting shock. Now, I just transplanted my parsley last night, and even though it was cooler last night, today's supposed to be 30 degrees Celsius, which is really hot. And so this technique is really simple. Basically, we're going to put baskets over the plants for the next 3 days. That way, it provides them some shade, and it just diffuses the light, and therefore they can get the roots, growing, get over that shock of being transplanted without drooping their heads so severely. So let's go put some baskets over my parsley. So I've got my crew here who's bringing in some baskets. Now the baskets can be any shape, size. You can see the differences. We got different kind of baskets here. We honestly just collect whatever baskets we can find. We use them on the farm all the time. And so just find what you have. You can also buy baskets at even Home Depot. Depends on the area. But basically, Nova, put your basket down. Yep. Just kind of tuck those plants, and you can see when she puts it over, you can see that it's casting shade already. So while these guys look really good right now, the temperature is definitely warming up, and we want to just protect them. Now this one here, you can see the difference. This one here will really shade, and between the two is adequate. It doesn't matter as long as they got some shade, especially for this afternoon. You can remove them later evening. Just make sure, yep, good job, Grace. Perfect. So we're going to do this for this entire row here so the parsley does not go into shock so bad. You can move this basket over a little bit more. Yeah. So in this circumstance, Grace, put the leave those two, put the basket starting, yeah, right there. Perfect. So what's going to happen is it's going to already cast shade in between. So continue on. Okay. It's good. Is that all the baskets we have?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're running out of some baskets, so we're going to make a little bit of an adjustment, and we're going to do just what Nova's doing right now. The plants in between the baskets, it already has shade because of the basket, so I'm not too worried about that. And we're just going to make a slight adjustment here. But otherwise, that looks really good, and this will just really help the plants snap back so much faster from being transplanted. Thank you so much, girls. So Do this for both the next 3 days. On Monday, we're supposed to have cooler temperatures for about a week. We're going to be in the high teens instead of in the 30s. So that's going to be really awesome. Then all these baskets can come off, go back into storage, and the parsley should have come back from plant shock and be on its way to growing new roots and getting settled right in. So thank you so much for watching this video. Check out our website, everything-homemade.com. There's some information on there as well as our online store. So if you're interested, definitely check us out. And once again, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.